How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to change app icons on Samsung. So what you want to do is come to the Play Store and download this third-party app called Icon Changer, and then open it up. So once you open it up, it's gonna show you a list of all your apps. So just choose whatever app that you want to change the icon of. And then here you can see that you can choose from a list of different icons. And you can come to the advanced section, so you can choose one. And then you can change the mask of it along with the background color. And when you're happy with it, you just press OK in the top right, and that'll load your new icon.
In case you didn't know, being young is...
As it's a free app, there's going to be some ads. So we'll wait for this ad to play, and then we will load the app with the new icon. So add it to home screen. And as you can see at the top, there's the new icon, and it'll open up LinkedIn. So that's how to change app icons on Samsung. Thank you for watching.